days you don't feel like getting up out the bed, the days you feel like quitting, giving up and giving in, only thing that's going to make you get up and do what you're supposed to do is what you see. When you wake up in the morning, look at your goals gonna tell you what time to get up. Are you hearing me?
I'm a friend.
Eh?
Yeah, I get something today.
You not even wipe the window. You not wipe the window?
Now wipe it. Come up there. I'm wiping it for you. I beg you. No one should piss up the one mattress. We can't afford the next one.
I ain't tryna bother. You're moving me in all the right ways, waiting for the signal. I wanna go down, down and watch it fall down, down, down. You give me the green light, speeding like there ain't no stop sign. My eyes set on the prize, yeah. I wanna go down, I wanna go down. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it, if you want it, if you want it. Yeah, girl, we don't even have to stop it. Take you higher than a real rocket. You can have my last name if you want it, if you want it, if you want it. Yeah, your body's out in motion, like a Mona Lisa come to life. Pin you on my wall and pull you back down. Watch you slide down and let me drink you in. Oh, selfish lovers drink for free. Spin you around my glass and watch you fall down, pull you back down. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it, if you want it, if you want it.
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. What's up? So yeah, it's a new day. Just got fresh, as you saw. A little mini, very mini routine there, shower routine if you will, because that's really all it was. I didn't show you like a full-on morning routine, but right now I want to go make some tea, but I'm afraid because time hot. I'm gonna drink the tea, I get hot, and I hear the fan blow. Yeah, it's hot. I'm so tired, guys. Like, honestly, I got no sleep last night. Yesterday was just, the whole weekend for me was just work, edit, and it was just like, you know, other stuff came up. So I really didn't get any sleep last night. So right now I'm tired. Like, I had my plan cut out for today, and remember I'm asking for challenge ideas in the last vlog. Asking for challenge ideas in the last vlog, and I know for a fact that I'm not even have the energy to do that today. It's like today I was like, why am I do 4-day vlogathon? Look at me now, tired out, but I'm just recycle a bit. I'm gonna make some tea. I think I'm gonna make some tea, but then super hook. So I wonder if I'm even gonna make the tea right now.
6.5 hours later.
Boy, back to this guy. Look, Maddie, from the angle, but lightiness. On me for just start up a vlog, show morning routine. Well, mini, very mini. That wasn't like the full-on thing, but for just start up a vlog. Or show gonna sleep, right? Cause literally But just when I get no sleep, that's why I'm really have to go sleep. Me tired, man. I tell myself, say, yo, whatever like that vlog every today, I give myself, you know. Because I vlog the rest of the evening, you know. You don't believe me? I vlog it. Plus, I'm not lying. I'm still the comments are coming from the last vlog, and it was like, you used to know when I always gas people up, it's like, the consistency for me, work ethic A1, isn't it easy now? But I wanted to catch up on another thing because I saw a suggestion and it was like a cool suggestion. Somebody said I put a review on a good suggestion. And from time to time, I don't think it wouldn't be not a farmer, you know. But yeah, that would be nice. Today I just take a breather, you know, like I need for film, and I'm just tired. You know, stay there in the life. Sometimes you just have to rest. So I took the time and I rested, and that's that. I feel like I'm good now. It's after 6. Can't touch my eyebrow them see me. That's all. When you see me, I watch the strategic, so them wipe so with alcohol wipes to make sure I'm not get a breakout and any thing. I did actually eat something earlier on before I went and took a nap, and that's from like 3 o'clock. No, was it? No, I did take a nap from like, no, from when I get up. After I tell you say I'm tired, I literally took a nap that time, and then I get up back. By the time I get up back, it was like 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So I wipe your ears up, I can't make water touch up yourself or wet up the brows then. So I have to be careful. Yeah, so I wake up back like 3 and then I drink some soup because that was what was there at that time. And now, you know, Sunday, Monday, out of Sunday, Monday, of course. But the thing is that when I drink the soup, I stay up and digest it a little bit and then I went right back to nap. And that is not me. You understand? So you know, say a girl really never get no sleep. You understand? But when you have 4 video me editing, 4 video me edit last night because I have deadlines to meet. And like, you know, stop till you get the work done, you see it. And I tell myself, say, you know, today me that skip today upload. And I say, oh, that, I don't mean that. No. When I get vlogs today. Because if I never that, and I say if I never get a vlog today, I'm gonna go live for you. I've never been live. But I say, no, man, but if you try out one live, man, chop. So I say, I don't know. I'm gonna go and say, wait. But let me know what you think. Should I go live like tomorrow? Lord God, I'm not 100% promise to for tomorrow. No, God said I need like, but never know me pick up on myself. Like, actually, I do that vlogathon here. Really, I remind myself, yo, girl, vlog must run the way. I will leave our work, you know, like, yeah, but I always love, you know, keeping you guys entertained. I need a lip balm. Alright. Now I'm gonna wash my face because I just done not remember. So now when I was to wash your face, I just done, I'm gonna crush it. Now I want some tea, so I make some tea. Feel like I'm gonna make some moringa, ginger, and lemon tea. Let's go. To you is the next morning. I'm in a whole new wig and face full of makeup. Because I had to, you know, I woke up and got straight into filming, getting stuff done. And when you hear me in the previous clip, I may have vlog out the whole day, Well, the definition is a new day now, so the vlog continues. This vlog should go live in like the next hour, and I doubt that's going to happen. So I actually feel like I'm gonna try out for the live, but when I still get the vlog here, obviously, but obviously not on Tuesday. We're not seeing this on Tuesday, so we're gonna see how that goes. But at least this is documented, so as I said, I was sticking to my word. Okay, right now I'm literally gonna change this wig. So it's so pretty, like the curls and everything came just as is in the packaging. Like I didn't curl this myself. This is how I got the wig. Isn't it gorgeous? And no baby hair, like what? So I have one more video to do right now, and then after that I'm just gonna jump into some editing, and I guess after that probably I'll go live on YouTube probably like by 3 o'clock. I don't know, but I don't even know what I'm gonna talk about. It's gonna be the first for me, but it's good to try new things, right? Get out of my comfort zone a little bit. So yeah, I'm just check in with you, make no say yo, work my day at work. Still lockdown. This is the last day of lockdown. PM, like yesterday is like them spread false news get out say me that address the nation yesterday. Them bam impose say yo him never got address the nation, and then make sure post this one and say him nah, there's no press conference day. Cause I feel like everybody there in here had wait for hear when I go say like you really gonna lock us up another weekend? What's up? Like yesterday, listen guys, I'm not gonna even going out all of that, but I just hope so no more lockdown weekend.
2 hours later.
Literally went live like an hour ago, and the live is not up anymore. It was just I just went live in the moment kind of thing. It was up there a little bit after that, but it's no longer up there. So by the time you see this vlog, no, the live isn't there. Next time, catch me while I'm on live. But honestly, anybody who knows me knows I really like the lives. But I did the live because I never wanted it to feel blank because I didn't get to upload a vlog. And you guys know that me love to live up to my words. I thought that doing a live would have, you know, been good. And it was good. It was good. I'm not gonna lie, it was good. So that's that. Literally I'm done with the live now. I'm gonna edit everything that I sat and filmed this morning, and you know, get to some emails, all of them something there, and then I'm gonna eat some, and that's pretty much it for the rest of the day for me. So when I did really look on it, that's what I'm saying, you know what, I'm gonna do the live because I know I'm never gonna do much today. I knew it. So that's literally that. Oh, and by the way, yeah, when I see my back, I'm in a whole next week right now, so yeah, so that's that. I really did love the previous wig, but I love this too. No, say curly textures is the way to my heart, guys. So I had to make a quick run out on the road. It's a new day, and a quick run out on the road. I'm here with my aunt, but you can outside real quick. I'm inside this place. I've never tried a food before, but I tried. Well, not really food, but they have like smoothie and something. So I get in a porridge for Shami. She's not here with me right now, but I get in a corn porridge for her. It's kind of a quick stop because everyone jam up, but we're like really hungry. I was out and about. It was last minute stuff, so yeah. So me, I could get just a smoothie, the banana, pine, and kale. So that's literally what I'm up to right now.
Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally Finally woke up with some luck in the back. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big.
It's a new day, and right now we're up on the road just to sort out some things. My eyebrows stripping, so that's why it looks so. Gosh. But I'll get one smoothie while we're all here. So yeah, that's the vibes. Alright guys, so I was gonna start vlog, but then I couldn't even continue the vlog because me have to rush out for something. But I'm back in the car now. I'm done with no, I'm not done. We need to go grocery shop. We have just a few stops to make on the road. I was gonna get a smoothie, but I'm not bother. In the previous clip I showed you guys I was at this natural light restaurant. I never even get for sure the food. It's just been a lot going on. So yeah, I never see we get around fish. But I never even eat the food at the same time. When I eat it, it was cold. And it wasn't all that. It's fully vegan. It was a fully vegan like spot. But it was cool. It was alright, you know. Yeah, it was alright. What I got was a curry chickpea and some sweet potato mash. It tastes super natural. Like if you go on it tastes super healthy. So if you're up on a super healthy journey, I feel like except them days when I want to just be super healthy, I would go to that spot. Vegan, I got vegan food from another business the other day. I'm not gonna lie, I got curry chickpea. I'm not gonna lie, it was 200% amazing. It was amazing. I never expect that. As me to say, it's just been a lot because you know what, I try going to one nice vlog for Saturday. So but literally I've been up and I've been out and about, but it's just like, you know, stuff that, you know, on a TV vlog kind of stuff. But right now we'll have some stuff we need to go buy, and we have like 3 stops that we need to make on the road. Shami in the back. I haven't seen Shami, but she's right there. She good. We cool. But yeah, so I buy food right now with the Island Grill. Honestly, me gotta go back at the LT spot because right now that's kind of just like how we eating. Like right now, I'm so stop at the gym as I don't know. So you know, I clean up back my eating. Island Grill isn't the best, but if you see if you're on already in a rush and you have to get fast food, then you can find some Island Grill. Yeah, it's still have Island, whatever. So that's kind of the predicament we're in right now. When I tell us that everybody are clean up them eating, me, Shami, Mommy, like we're cutting down. We're really and truly going to cut down on the fast food. And yeah, so that's just what we up to currently. Finally on the move. Jeez, final line move up, man. So yeah, that's what we're up to. So Shami will get a kalaloo rice. Really, that's all she said she feel for. She just get a kalaloo rice. And what me I gonna get? I probably will get one Go Light with steamed veg. But yeah, the food never bad yesterday. It was just, you know, it tasted so new to me. But the other vegan food I eat, it never made me miss the chicken, to be honest. I would go vegan still. I don't more than go vegan. More than just, you know, we eat certain things here and here, but that's it. But I go buy one smoothie, but I say no, I better it's lunchtime anyways, so I might as well just get actual food right now than just go and get a smoothie. So yeah, I love this hair. This is a 30-inch. Oh, on the seating at the previous clip, it's what I went live in one day too. Actually like it. I wear it out for till I have to change it again, which might be by tomorrow or over the weekend. So yeah, lockdown finished for the most part. Right now we have lockdowns on Sundays. We have lockdown on Sundays. Every other day open up basically. We have a 8 o'clock curfew. So that's what we're working with. And yeah, so I don't know, say lockdown. That was the only lockdown. I'm not gonna lie, the last day I did the rough pan meat beat me. Hi, good afternoon.
Afternoon, miss.
Can I have a serving of kalaloo rice?
Yes, regular rice.
Medium. And then can I have a gold light with steamed veg?
Pardon?
A gold light with steamed veg, jerk, leg and thigh. And let that, yeah, two of that please. Two gold lights with steamed veg, jerk, leg and thigh. Yes, that's it. 3 water, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay, thank you. Yeah. I eat some of that food. Oh, so them here. So I never even realized that so come. Kind of box. Right? It's like in a thingy. Have a go light here. Jerk. Me just get jerk today. No, in a bag of sauce. I'm not gonna eat the bag of sauce. So, yeah, I get the same thing from mommy. Oh, it is. Yeah. And guys, you know, some I had breakfast this morning. I actually had, well, Shami had oatmeal and some fruits on the side. Just that though. And crackers. Crackers, oatmeal, fruits on the side. It was a good amount too. But you see, when you clean up certain things, it's like it not keep you full as much. So it's like we're gonna fall in the 4 meal a day kind of bracket. It's like not as much sodium. Like this have sodium now, I know. But we'll cut down on a lot of stuff. Yeah, for clean it up. You guys can come on a journey with me too for a while. Come on it.
See, we have $1 box of corn and vegetable.
My bigger business where I want today. My friend? My friend? I eat you, I get eat to them. That one.
Like, really?
Really.
Real?
I
need one special.
But tell the people them say, right? I tell the people them say we're up on a journey.
Right now,
we're up on a journey.
No, I'm not laugh. But looking at box first, you know, see me I look good.
Them stay from a million miles away and dash the kalaloo in the rice.
But from a million miles away on temptation and put, what if them put butter in there?
The kalaloo so tough.
Bitter.
Touch it for 1 minute. I know I say so kalaloo for cook, but we're going to eat that so bitter and tough. You must be mad at me. Not eat that. Anyway, finish eat. So now we continue on the road. Like 600. But that's not bad. So 5 bills. Alright. Thank you. Alright. I have a shopping bag them around this, so just buy some fresh kalaloo, guys. Fresh. Fun fact, that is Shami's favorite vegetable to cook and eat.
With yam.
With yam. Yam specifically.
Yes.
Okay. That is her favorite thing. Like, I'm not that crazy about it, to be honest. But she's crazy about it. Some days I'll be like, really? I don't know when she grew the obsession fee, but it's a good thing. Too much ain't not good, but it's really good. It's good to get iron. Yeah, like him just want to mash up the whole sidewalk on the front of him car. So like, watch him, I gonna try more. Like, get out my way. We'll cross it off of this, because honestly, we not really love buy the color in our supermarket. It's really last resort whenever we do that. But yeah, it's always still. We can't bother with that. And you have some supermarkets where the produce is always nice and fresh and good.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a so say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moon.
Vinegar. Yeah, you know these are about like what is? Sorry. It tastes good. Oh my gosh, yes, it's what we have from the salad. Yeah, it tastes good for true. I'm buying. We're done with the road for today, guys. I'm gonna get my package them. But I like when package them delay now. Package them delay. As in, I think them reach, but like them I pack them out. Them I don't organize them. So I'm more than likely tomorrow before we get them. But yeah, so we're done buy up the groceries them and something. Now we just head back home because we're done with the road for the day. We're done with the road, right? And now we're in traffic, so let's check back in. Oh, by the way, my updates, you know, yes, we took your advice, so I've started watching just one of the series out of what was the lot. You want me get some lists, man? Like, I got some lists from you guys.
I'm afraid.
Watch.
I'm afraid.
Eh?
You have to get something today.
You not even wipe the window. You not wipe the window.
Now wipe it. Come up there. I'm wiping it for you.
Alright, come wipe it. Come wipe it.
Yeah, the rims me I wipe.
Alright, ready.
Wash the wall, cat.
Eh. 5 bills.
I buy pampers in the car.
I don't have no 5 bills.
Please do me, I beg you. No one should piss up the one mattress. I can't afford the next one.
Eh. God bless you too. Guys, window wiper them.
Hey, God, I don't lie, my really have one mattress.
I don't think so.
Yeah, same can't afford for to piss up the one mattress. Same having.
Oh my God, yo, me can't manage. Chronicles of Living in Kingston. Because all of us don't listen, my day I tell you I get a whole heap of suggestion with movies and series on Netflix. Shout out to everybody was sending listen up. I just ask a few, God bless you know. But yeah, I shall never be bored again. But went in there, so we actually one of the most suggested one was clickbait. I'm gonna say everybody ideas say clickbait. I actually started to watch it. You know, it's good so far.
And
Like,
she coming like, oh man, she can't do that.
Shami, you know somebody tired yesterday.
And she was like, honestly.
Somebody tired
I
yesterday.
watch, so sit down and watch YouTube video when it even make no sense. I not say YouTube video, no say, but the one them where she watch never make no sense.
But me not watch again, but it's even
foolishness.
No, but like guys, it's a vibe. It's a vibe.
Episode watch last night,
But we reach what, episode 6?
No! We just done watch episode 4.
I lie, I tell you.
We just done watch episode 4.
I don't believe that.
Alright then, you want to bet me $1,000?
I'm not betting nothing. I'm not betting you nothing.
Like I never me control the TV last night.
Could I swear we don't watch episode 5?
No, girl.
I just 8 episode in the season and me just say yo last night me I go box it off, you know. No man, me start fall asleep like, and then it never boring or nothing, me just tired. So today man, it's on today. So yeah, we're head home now and start about dinner. And for drinking tea now, already ate breakfast. She had like a parfait thing.
You go like that alone me eat.
No, but it good, you know. She had bread, sausage, just like one sausage, a slice of bread, and banana, the parfait, and she drinking her bush tea. Yeah, she may drink bush tea. Get her on the train. Yeah, and I already eat my sausage and bread, and I had a banana. I'm gonna peel some papaya. See them big papaya that I get yesterday? Yeah, so I'm gonna peel some of that. And then after that, I know I already get fresh from this, well, not too long ago. I already took a shower. So after that, I'm gonna go, fix my hair, and then I need to get these packages because I don't know, it was delayed. So that's the morning vibes. I never remember to take up the camera from when I just started to prepare breakfast. So, but I remember now. So I'm gonna drink my tea. I don't know why I'm there before I drink the tea now. I should have totally drink tea before.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me.
Just me right now on the road. So I think I might give you guys a haul in this vlog. I might just do that. Let's say yesterday my vlog on everything good, and then my ear come around the corner and I say, Jesus, them people, the pathway just narrow. Over here so full today. But Jesus, can I make it? Can I? Oh my God. Okay. Let me go over here. I didn't even see how the sidewalk area set up here. Okay, I'm gonna park right here. Look, so you're so full up bad. Jesus. Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Usually I'm gonna park right to center. But yeah, I'm gonna make a quick stop here and then I'm gonna get my package them, and I guess that's it for the day. I couldn't swear I have something else today, you know? But it's because I'm so used to having to do stuff on the road. I'm tell you, I put on, sometimes put on a mask, but when I have on like gloss, yeah, you know, probably wonder how much this gloss plus the mask. You see that one here now? This I just start using this morning. Well, since I come out. So this have a little more space on it. That one they have space about through a fabric. This I can kind of mold it. So I'm gonna mold it off of my lip. Say not touch the glass. Bam! That's a hack for you. This is one of them I buy for Amazon. I buy it like 100 come in the box. So yeah. So alright, I'm done with that stop then. So mess. I bounced down the place. Hey, what you doing? Alright, so I say, remember from what I'm telling you, I'm find a whole list of some Starbucks drinks somebody want to try, like not all at once, but you know, gradually. Lord God, sir, you never did know, say, Jesus. What you know? What you know? Jesus. Alright, I'm not going to that again. Call beer taxi. Anyway, sorry. Yeah, me that try some Starbucks flavors and stuff. But I don't know. It's like, no, the urge just died down. You know, when you want something and you want it in that moment, and when you get it, afterwards the urge kind of just die down. That's kind of what's going on right now. I don't want to, like, right now I could eat, but like, I don't know. I've become more like, what I do, you see, when I'm not that active in the gym, like now that I'm on a long break after a while, I just want to clean up my eating, because your eating is actually more important than the workout, you know. In terms of your health, it's a higher percentage than the workout. The workout is still important, don't get me wrong, but if you don't understand what I mean. So, and then probably I wonder like, oh, so this is I gotta do this, and then, you know, I haven't. It's just that, you know, I'm gonna have the appetite for you right now. You know, I'm really I try to pick up on how often I eat a day time, because one day I was kind of neglecting that, you know. So so don't change for my light, don't change for me. Alright, good. So this car can be so extra sometimes. Alright, so I actually got my packages and stuff, and now I feel like while I'm here, let me go ahead and get myself a smoothie, a nice fruit smoothie. Or should I get a vegetable smoothie? I don't know. That will be the second thing I'm having for the day. I'm not super hungry either, so that's good. I'm gonna see, but that's where we're heading now. You guys coming with me? A Burger King, Yago. True G. Come on, is this Burger King? Why am come out so far in the road if a Burger King them I go? If I hug up the sidewalk. Some parking there. I'm gonna realize when the place open up from lockdown, the immediate day after, the place jam up. Ooh, there's a parking here. I want this parking, but goddamn, am I gonna get it? Am I gonna get it? Am I gonna get it? Because people that rate this said, geez, I'm gonna feel like they're gonna bomb rush me and take it. Managa can't get. Oh, there's another one. Even if them thief this, Mago can't get that one. How am I gonna do this? Okay. feel like I need to go out. I got the parking that I wanted to get, even though one more to come up better, but free up. Yeah. But these days, the other day, man, tell us the people sit down. Like yesterday, I went into a parking lot, and like when we walk out at the business place, right? The person was like, "Yeah, come out now. All right, save a space for me." Like, it's crazy, man. Let's go ahead. Just give me all fruits with, yep, I can get ginger in there? Yeah.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer.
Got my fruits. Catch up my stomach. Cheers. Could I put a little more ginger in there? Taste the ginger, but you know. But I put a little more ginger in there. I just get straight out fruits today, because one thing, when I actually, well, from research, what research has shown, like, it's best to not blend your fruits with your vegetables, and I wasn't taking notice of that all along, so I'm gonna stop doing that. If a vegetable, straight out vegetable. If a fruits, are straight out fruits. So today I just got straight fruits in this smoothie. So now I eat that for me for the road. I'm gonna go home and let's do this haul. Let's go. So I reach back home. Shama over here so I eat her food. I can't see her show to the shot. Sarah. So yeah, she eat her food. So I'm going to just do a few of my packages. Not all my packages. Rest of stuff them really much. It's just, you know, collabs and stuff that I have to do. So yeah, the first package that I got today, let's see, this was shipped off, like, remember that same vlog that I'm telling you, I'm going to go JPS from the internet shipped off. It's like 2 weeks, a week and a half maybe. Yeah. So literally, it's from Makiage. Okay, your girl is still partnered with Makiage, so I'm not gonna lie, it's only one product in here, and I keep on getting back this product because they're literally so good. Remember the other day I went, when we went to Atlantis, we did go to MAC, and you see all of us got foundation, but the thing is, in the store the foundation was a perfect match, but outside of the store, I don't know, maybe it was the lighting, but that never worked out. So I got my little Makiage foundation, okay, and I'm good with 195. 195 is amazing. There was this ad that I was on for Makiage, like I did a little review, and if you don't ever come across an ad, it's on my main channel, so I did a makeup tutorial. It's just like, it's like skin. So I got this. So yes, I will be coming with a like updated makeup routine on Petite-SUE Divinititi soon. So there was this other formula that they came out with, but I don't know if they started to sell it. I don't see it on their site, so I guess not, but that was amazing. It was one of the best matte formulas, and that one they done long time. I want to change the packaging. Oh no, it's the same. It's just a piece of plastic over it, but yeah. This is it. So I got mine in shade 195. And that's how it looks. So I'm all set with that. We'll see what they in the box there because I don't even know what it is, but I think I know what it is or what it should be. But the labeling out on the front of it. Yes! It's exactly what I needed it to be. So I got a complete re-up of all my Fenty product. It's been a while, and listen, their mattifying foundation, the Pro Filter, 100%. So this is a primer, because honestly it worked. Listen, I start this in a my professional kit. I start this myself personally. It's amazing. One thing don't know is if Fenty something and pricey, but it's worth it. So this is the Pro Filter Instant Touch Retouch Primer, and it looks like this. The back can feel like it gets smaller, so but now like the foundation back look like it's smaller. It's yeah, definitely slimmer. Like what the hell? It's the same shade that I've always used. It's 410. That's what works for me. And yeah, can't wait to go get glammed with these. Yeah, so that is I also bought this. This is a What It Do refreshing mist. So you know, after you get, you know, you have that powdery look there after you've just done, you know, you can just spray this and make everything look more, you know, skin-like and just settle in. So I got one of these for that purpose. And then let me tell you what else I got. Yes, this is a bronzer. So this is the Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer. So the name is on the back, and this is how it looks. Really, yeah, nice diamond-like packaging. It says Fenty Beauty. So yeah, this is definitely the shade I was going for. Definitely something that can warm up my face even more. It does look lighter on the camera, but I know it will work perfect. So this is a powder, the Pro Filter matte powder that I got, and it's in 410. Just like the foundation. So it looks like that. Ooh, that's very pigmented. But it's actually the powder foundation. So, but you need something to set your liquid. So they didn't have like a powder on its own, like a face powder on its own. So I just bought this for that purpose, and I have other face powders, so if it's too much I can just like not use it. You can just use, you could definitely use that for a lighter feel on your skin, but you see the 410, the foundation already, it feels so light on the skin. And that's the same thing with the Makiage. Like Makiage though, Makiage, I'm gonna put the link down below if you want to shop that foundation. You can shop my page. It's a pretty girl. Yes, I have a page up on your website with, you know, a number of looks that I did with their products, so you guys can check that out. So I also got the lip balm, Pro Kisser lip balm, because you don't know, so if I want it with me, I always have like a balm or lip gloss on my lips because I can't deal with the dry lips thing. I can't deal with it. Fresh face, nice moisturized lips, everything. So actually have like an applicator like that, like an actual gloss. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Fenty Beauty. Make sure double check, you know why that's showing up, you know. Look at invoice and make sure 1, 2, 3, 6 something. Yes. Alright, so for my got some Rebel scents today, okay? It says a scented revolution on the back. So I was intrigued. I don't know if I love my scents, and a long time I don't get no scents, and a long time I don't get no fragrance. So, oh, packaging is like marshmallow on the inside. So, open it, and it just says Rebel Hello Gorgeous, ready for sensory overload. Okay, I am. So I have a little card in here. It says, thank you for being the best part of Rebel. We hope you enjoy your new scents as much as we do. So I'm gonna try them out for the first time. So from time to time, I always mention where I get my scents from, but I still get so much questions asking me, where you get these scents from? Where you get these scents from? So I got this from Rebel, okay? So, and it's the first time I try them out. You know, so the first scent to make it smell is actually one of their own. Them actually have them own a scent now, so like that's cool. So it comes in this box. You know what this remind me of? John Paul Goats. What you say, Uncle Baba? I'm saying feel pretty like money. You know, say I vlog my day, I vlog, I do all. Yeah. Yeah, you did not the vlog, guys. I rush. No, so you like the look of the. So wait, right then later. Yeah. The same fret me, guys. Rush. I don't know, the number just come up, but see me and they know. And I said,
show the camera so him see it.
No, but like guys. The name not come up, you know. The name Rush never come up. See, they not see Rush now. Though I did naked number come up, I say, how come I have my number save and blah blah blah. I say, it's save, but it just come up as the number. Anyway, Rush, if you answer this, your sister threw me that tag. And yeah, me that said the packaging other one here. I don't know that tag get tight though. Jesus. Alright. So, me that say, the packaging here remind me the Jean Paul Gaultier, if that's how you pronounce it. Scandal. When you did buy it for me on Christmas, remember? It smells so good, but it was in like a mauve color box. You must know me attack. You come in something like this. Okay. Show me. Look what I reveal. Now look how this smell. No sir. This smell. Anyway, I can smell the scent already, you know. And I got this because it was like one that, you know, I hear talk about, like a lot of talks about. It's pretty. Ooh, this smells good. I feel like this scent, when I really experience nothing but summer in Jamaica, I joke, times get cooler, but I feel like this is more for cooler times. I feel like this is perfect for nighttime. This smells like it could be unisex. It gives me a sexy kind of vibe. Jeez, this smells good. It smells good. Yo, smell it. It smells so good. It is amazing. Like it. I would definitely put this on in the evening time. Definitely evening. Me not put this on in the daytime. Me not put it on in the daytime. I have to be like, maybe like a sophisticated meeting, but it just give me nighttime vibe. That one here. And from you see the bottle, like the darkness, it says it all. I think they did a good job with this scent. It smells really, really good. And you see how tiny? So I've used this sparingly. I don't really use perfume sparingly. I'm like all over. Alright, so that was the first one. Then I got Twilly de Hermes Paris perfume. That's the name of it. Twilly. And we're gonna try this out. So that's how that looks. So I heard that this one is really good too. So let's go ahead and is it buckle and small? Your small buckle something like that. Super feminine. It's nice. Oh my gosh, at first it not hit me like this. Okay. It smells good. It smells luxurious. At first it never hit me, but the more I smell it, wow. It's not heavily floral, but it gives me that floral vibe. It's lightly fruity. It's fruity, but you see, me not do the fragrance description thing like that. So like to tell you about this note and that note. I know it smells good. It smells good, and I would wear this like definitely when I dress up. It definitely gave me girly vibe. Super feminine. Super feminine. Yeah. And this one definitely gives a 10. And I give this a 9. I would give this a 9. Alright, I only have one more, and this I got it already in like when I had to get when I partnered with Scentbird. I got it in a little thing here, and I never ever got the official bottle. So when I saw this, that this was in stock, when I saw that this was in stock on the site, I was super happy about that. So this is the box. I'm excited, and the only reason why I never get this, you know, is because it kind of just didn't slip me. And this is actually the Prada Candy Night. So I think they have a next one. I think they have just a Prada Candy, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember. Ooh, I like the bottle. Ooh, the first spray I'm gonna smell everything. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is yummy. It's so yummy. And I know this is, I feel like a lot of females have this. Like, I feel like this is one of the more, it's raining. I feel like this is one of the fragrances that it's like a bestseller. The kids are outside, by the way, so if you don't hear the noise of them, it smells good. If I spray that one up on my hand, I want to smell more right. Yeah, it smells good. It's not super, it's the scent, it builds up over time. Like, I don't know if I explain it, but it's super candy-like. It's just like what the name says. It's very sweet. It gives very floral vibe. You could definitely wear this in the daytime if you wish. You definitely could wear this in the daytime. It says Prada Candy Night, so I know it's formulated for more of like a nighttime scent probably. But you could wear this in the daytime if you want to as well, because that candy vibe, it just gives a playful, cheerful kind of feeling. So I feel like, say, it can work for both. I like it. It's nice. I'm gonna give it an 8. I'm gonna give it an 8 though, because it's super girly. It's super girly. I don't know. I'm just gonna give it an 8, but I'm gonna give Hext a 10. I really love it. I really love it. And I'm gonna give, should I give the Hermes a 10? It really nice, you know. I think I'm gonna give it a 10. It was really nice. I'm gonna give this an 8. I'd recommend all of them. They smell really good. Really good. So that is everything for my haul. Literally, it's a makeup and perfume haul today. I'm happy I got my packages. I got some new scents. There is a couple more scents that I want to like add to my collection. But over time we'll do that, you know. Not stress. But yeah. coming, doing your little skincare, no cares in the world. I'm like, so she don't see this camera lens. Yeah, Philip, with your glasses, man. You know, it's a good minute. Literally, I came up on you and you were like humming something louder. I'm like, wow.
I love that.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I've been here a minute now. No, what you holding in that shirt, yeah? But yeah, Sasha, I'm gonna come for make the people know about clickbait. How done watch it in a people? Really, we have to about it say?
Oh, the man dead for nothing.
Yo, it guys, I'm not gonna lie, the show it twists. There was like multiple plot twists.
You can't see me down really. It's a very good show, but I don't like it. It's an emotional.
It's emotional because yo, the man really not deserve it, but yo, I really like the thing I'm showing.
I want good show, you know, like you need to go watch it, but it's just too much for your heart. Too much something.
It's nice, it's true. Shout out to you guys, cause I recommend something nice, like.
You know, like people never recommend fat.
No, what you lock me up for? The girl that lock me, you lock me up. What the fuck? Why you locking me up in the match? Open this door. Yo, why you lock me up in here? Well, it was a 10 out of 10. Clickbait is a 10 out of 10. How much you rate it? 10. But yeah, guys, I just come back for wrap up that vlog here. You guys got a full hour today. I send me that get 1 hour and it's 1 hour. Yeah, it's a treat. What happened to you?
Let me see the footage. Let me see the video.
Which video?
Very frightened.
Yeah, I'm going to take a shower, get fresh and just easy. I literally just like, well, no, I'm gonna insert that clip here, but I'm all done with editing this vlog, so you guys will get this tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for watching and just stay tuned to come back. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Get your girl to 100K. That's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Tell them bye.
Bye.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of